We came all the way to Malibu for that liner. Check it out. It's a rocky, rocky road over there.
It's pumping.
Came all the way to Malibu for king tides, and we're headed to Topanga again. It's a new skim spot for us. We kind of just come up here to skim with Weber. Seems like the tide is it's gonna be good for our Topanga session. I think it's a 6.7 foot high tide today. Water's so high up, it's going underneath all these houses. Going full alfalfa mode this morning. Topanga is absolutely going off. This set is mental. Oh! Yeah, Beaks! Top of the morning to you, my friend.
Thanks for taking care of Indy.
Oh, my pleasure, dude.
Oh boy.
Oh, what the heck?
What's up, Indy?
Skylar's always popping out of the woodwork.
Yeah, I was just gonna say, that sounds familiar.
Waking up at 5 a.m. by pops, and he's like, bro, it's firing.
How long you been down here?
I was here at the crack of dawn.
Oh my god.
Here last night. A lot looser.
He slept on the beach.
You're good. Woo! Do it, dog! Yeah, do it.
Why aren't you out there?
Get some work done first. Like, prefer not to suffer these days.
A little too icy.
I was getting the Misto Weber clips before all the cameras got here, but now I'm out there. This looks really fun.
You should get out there. I'll get the Misto clips.
So nice and warm now. I like my timing.
King tides, we ride. How's my little alfalfa right now?
Looking good.
Things just
Fluffy.
flaring up this morning. It's all party waves out there. There's definitely good waves to be had. Oh my, this next one. No!
not that good.
No.
Yeah, that person's getting it. Ryan likes what he's seeing. He's gonna do a goofy wrap on a liner spot. Oh. He's on there still. That's good.
Can't catch a break.
Tough go, but I think I'm gonna get it. Oh no, is he? Oh. I'm following her.
I remember my first big spin.
If I was front side, I would have landed up.
Whoa, abandoned ship. You know him?
Oh no, Indy! Jeez. Come on! Indy got him! Stop!
He's like, oh no.
Oh, Morgan, yeah.
Uh-oh, uh-oh.
Back to back. He was taking notes from you, Blair.
Darn. We're doing parkours out the back.
Hardcore to parkour.
Oh my gosh. Everybody's in fine form today. There's something in the water?
I'm not in fine form today.
Nobody's in fine form
No,
today.
it's like, I set my alarm for 6:30 a.m. I'm like a noon guy, you know.
My board is funny though, he's so hard. Not hard.
I feel like Ryan's like Kenny from South Park. Like,
He's super accident prone.
yeah. He only skims once a month, but when he does, he just hurts himself. Hey! Oh! Yeah.
Big one!
Yeah! That's what we like.
I could see with my blind eye it wasn't going to be a long one, so I better get something done quick.
So as soon as you took the beanie off, that thing was holding you back.
For sure.
Oh!
Jaden's out there just killing it.
What? That one was insane. Really just incredible stuff.
All-star. Some of your best work.
Oh man, it's perfect, perfect. Yep, that was something. Maybe we'll do better on the low tide this afternoon. I don't know. Everyone's struggling so hard right now. It's like if there's a good one that comes in, there's 3 longboarders on it. The wave of the day goes to Jaden.
That was insane.
That was a sider into a perfect liner.
That was a sick one.
And they just came out of nowhere. There was not another wave like that this morning. And he was just in the spot, way up the point, in it before anyone.
Indy didn't snake him.
Indy didn't get him. I almost did. I couldn't resist. I was about to just go. But he ripped it, so
Yeah.
congrats to Jaden. MVP of the session. Malibu local.
Aiden caught the best ones. I don't know, Ryan got a good one too.
I missed Ryan's. Did you? Yeah. No way. This is like full-on collision course out here.
I know. Gotta wear the helmet.
My heart's broken.
Why is your heart broken?
You really missed my way?
I really missed your wave. Do you want Matt to paint it for you?
Yeah.
You gotta commission me.
Slobber dogging.
Wait, ready for the...
Oh. Dude, it's like slobbery even down here. Look at
Good boy. Good boy.